Okay, guys. So I'm going to try give it another shot. So now um, I'm gonna try to print something again, and then if that doesn't work, I'm gonna switch back to the most latest firmware. But that doesn't work with the auto bed leveling, so I have to remove the auto bed leveling and just do the manual leveling. Hopefully my printer will work. I don't know, I'm just troubleshooting everything right now. So the temperature seems to be okay now. It's getting there. um, Let me see if I can now print something from the SD card. Let's print this G code. And let's watch what's gonna happen now. See, the temperature changed. It used to be 40, the bed temperature, now it jumped back up to 50. It has a mind of its own. Holy shit. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for it to go back to 50. Creality, you gotta do better than this, man. You guys watching this, you can't just keep making new products but you just ignore the products. You don't fix the problems with the products you already made. You gotta fix the problems with the product you already made. Otherwise, people are just not gonna buy your products. See, the temperature of the uh, nozzle dropped on its own. It used to be 240. It was set to 240. Now it's gone back. So I'm gonna pause the print. I can't print like this because it will clog the nozzle. Holy shit! It has to be 240, 240, 240, because that's the temperature of the filament. Okay, 240, 241 is okay. Okay, let's see if it's gonna print now. It keeps changing the temperature on its own, either the bed or either the nozzle. And then sometimes it goes back to zero on its own, like not just changing the temperature, but it goes back to zero. So I'm thinking maybe it's the firmware. It could be the hardware, the main board, there's a problem with it, or it could be the connection, but I'm pretty sure my connection is not wrong. I mean, most of it isn't. I don't know if there's any, but I don't think that's the problem. It's probably a firmware, more likely. Yeah, let's see what's going to happen now. Let's see what's going to happen. It's getting there. Is it going to print? Wait, I have to click. See, now when I hit resume print, the temperature is going to change again. That's the problem. Look what happened. Look what happened to this printer. It's acting on its own. Holy shit. I didn't touch it even. Look at that. I don't know what the hell is going on. Let's hope it prints. I'm really hoping it prints. Holy shit. So the auto bed level, as you could hear the noise, it's like so the y-axis, it just missed its point, so it went over, and that's why you heard that noise. It went like at the very end, and and the motor continued moving, so it didn't stop, so it didn't do the calculations correctly, I guess. See, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And let's see. I'm just gonna show what's happening. See, frig. This didn't happen like a few minutes ago. Now it's. What is it doing? I don't even know what it's doing. I don't even know. I have no idea what it's doing. It's auto. I think it's auto bed level. That's what it did before. Auto bed level, and then it went back, and the temperature went back to zero. See, it will go back to zero. I will show you. It's trying to auto bed level. and for some reason this sensor sometimes doesn't work. Even I try to look. Now the temperature is gonna go back to zero and it's not gonna print anything. Let's see, it says print aborted. I didn't even touch it. Print aborted. What the frig is going on? Let's print again. Heat in bed. Holy frig. See? Temperature went back down again. Fuck. Pause print. Control. Temperature. Nozzle. 240. Now here we go again. The bed leveling, I spent hours on it. Now it doesn't even work. It has a mind of its own. After I got it to work, it's not working now. It just, and then the print aborts on it by itself. Temperature keeps changing on its own. What kind of printer is this, you know? Like, I'm done with the auto bed leveling. I'm done with all this bullshit. Just want to get this done with, and let's see, it's getting the temperature. I hope it doesn't change back to zero. So, okay, now it's acting. Let's see if it's gonna print anything. Frig. I have to level it again, I guess. I'm too tired of that, man. Like, spend hours leveling this shit. And look at this shit. What's the point of this auto bed level? I may as well just do a manual. Yeah, it needs leveling. It doesn't, it's not even working, this shit. Auto bed leveling. Crap. It's not even working. Shit. See, it's trying to auto level on its own. And then the print will be aborted. Shit. See? Temperature went back to zero. Frig. So it looks, they like, last one is said print aborted. This one is saying the temperature is back to zero. It's set back to zero. So frustration. So I'm gonna forget this auto bed leveling, and I'm gonna see if I could fix the problem with the manual leveling without using auto bed level. I want to just see if the problem is with the board or so. Yeah, I'll keep you tuned. I'll keep you updated in the next video.